Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, MissNaturalShay, and I am here showing a Volupties panty haul. So, I already have two Volupties videos on here for the plus size girls, and I have two more monthly subscriptions that I got some months ago, and I did stop my subscription just for now, but I do want to show you guys what I got. So for the first one, this is how it will be. This is how it's packaged, and then once you open it up, this is what it looks like, and it has 3 pairs of panties. And this, I believe, could be the December edition. I'm not sure because I stopped getting my subscription, but I think I did get them. The last 2 are from December and January. So let's get into these panties, guys. Okay. Cute. So the first pair of panties are see-through, and they are so cute. They remind me of Valentine's that just passed. And I got these in a 3X. Just because sometimes, like, the different material and stuff, they just don't fit right. So I just decided to get them in a 3X. And these are so cute. And the inside is cotton, which is good because you want it to be breathable. But I think these are so cute, right? Let me see. They got a little stretch from this part right here, which is pretty good. And that's good. Alright. So the second pair I have are these. And these are really cute too. These are like the seamless panties. And they got a band up here. But they're really cute. And they are stretchable. And there's a cotton seam inside because you want your panties to be breathable, ladies, okay? And then my third pair, they are so cute and adorable. These are the penguins. They're so cute. And these are really stretchy. And I always like the stretch right here. Alright. So, I have one more subscription to show you guys. And I'm not going to flip it over because that has my personal info on it. But I'm going to go ahead and get into it real quick. I wish I had marked these. But I do think one of them was December and the other one was January. And I think this might be the January packaging. It's so cute, right? If you guys would like to order... Oh yes, these are pretty. Oh my gosh. If you guys would like to get a subscription in, you can use my link below. These are so pretty, guys. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead. You get 3. You buy 3. Either you can get the Splendy side, which is for the smaller chicas, or you can get the plus size, which is for the larger chicas. These are so cute. I like this floral print. It's really cute. They're stretchy. On the inside, they have the cotton liner. And that is for your gingerbread, guys. You do not want to have polyester or satin or silky down in that area. You need something that's going to be breathable. And here's the next pair. These are so cute. I'm thinking, guys, that these underwears could be too big, but, and they got the cotton. I mean, these are actually cotton. They do look like they're too big. I mean, I don't think I'm this wide, but it's all good. Hopefully the shrink. If not, then I'll just wear them until the bands fall off. And these are my favorite out of this collection. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Right? And I always got to do this. And you see that stretch? I love the stretch. And these are cotton. And they have the cotton in the vagina area. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to do a small Volupties underwear haul. It's for the 2 months. So guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed my Volupties panties haul. And please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Peace.